Wave System Door Assembly. There are 4 types of profiles in the wave system: stile, top rail, bottom rail, and dividing rail. In the beginning, prepare the panels and profiles of the required size for the door using the calculation table. The link to the table you can find in the description. If you assemble the door with a visible top track, you use both top and bottom rails. However, if you choose to assemble the door with a hidden top track, you use only bottom rails. Remove approximately 100 mm of the aluminum wall of the bottom rail to install the bottom rollers. You can simply use pliers for this. To assemble the door with a visible top track, make a mark for the upper hole at a distance of 7 mm from the edge. On the bottom, make one mark at a distance of 7 and one at 42 mm from the edge of the stile. To assemble the door with a hidden top track, make a mark for the upper hole at a distance of 42 mm from the edge. On the bottom, make one mark at a distance of 7 and one at a 42 mm from the edge. Drill a hole with a diameter of 5.5 mm through both walls of the profile. Then, drill a hole with a diameter of 9 mm only through the outer wall of the stile. The wave system can be used with panels of up to 10 mm thickness and their appropriate gaskets. For the combination of 4 mm panels and black profiles, we recommend using black gaskets. For the dividing rail, you need to use our designated silicone gasket U-shape for panels with a thickness of 4 mm. Panels with a thickness of 8 mm are used without dividing rails. Fix the gaskets to the door fragments. Connect the horizontal frames to the panels. For inserts with a thickness of 10 mm, gaskets are not needed. Attach the stile. Fix the door with the self-tapping screws that are included in the Type V set. Install the bottom rollers on the door. Attach the top rollers if the door will be installed with a visible top track. Attach appropriate brackets on the upper backside if the door will be installed with a hidden top track. To install the soft closer, 2 brackets are needed. Choose the proper soft closer depending on the weight of the door. Insert the plug-in weather strips into the grooves on the back side of the stiles. To fix the plug-in weather strip in the groove, we recommend using super glue on the top and the bottom of the door.